Well, when you receive the machine, you will receive test parts, microscope, push pedal, water tube, power supply wheel, and you also need to prepare tools, this one and a motherboard to test the laser. Touch screen, emergency button, start button, and the filter lens. This is the light, and the blue one is a gas tube. This is the focus lens. The laser will come from the focus lens, and it will focus from a circle to a very small point. This is water outlet, water inlet, gas inlet, fan, and this is connected with the push pedal. This is power supply connection place. Connect the water tube. You need to prepare 3 liters water. Pure water is better. Connect the pedal. Install the microscope. You can use this tool to fix the screws under the microscope. Rotate the emergency button and press the start button. You can see the water is absorbing from the water bucket to the machine. You need to wait around 1 minute. Now you can see T3 is gray color, so that means the laser have low power. You need to press the start, then give the electricity to the laser. Now you can try to weigh the materials. Well, when you start to find the focus, on the first step, you need to set 30% power, 2 ms and 10 Hz. This is the frequency. Now let's see inside. You need to move the motherboard up and down to find the best height. You see, I move it upward. Then I found the place the laser is showing. This place is focus place. If I move it upward, then no laser. So you need to find a best height. This is focus place. And you can see the screen is most clear. Well, this is screen of the laser welding machine. This is start button. Set. You can set language here. And you can change the power and the pulse wise to change the power. The power can be set from 1% to 100%, and the pulse wise is a number. The number is bigger and the power is bigger. This is frequency. Support size. If you change the support, the laser support will move up and down. Well, this is the total. Total means the laser have 4,800 shoots. Now we set 10% power. Let's see. Now we set 50% power. You can see the laser is stronger. The laser is stronger. Now we set 1 ms. You see the laser power. Okay. Now we set 1 millimeters to 5 millimeters. 5 ms. 5 ms. You can see the laser is stronger than before. Now we set 1 Hz on frequency. Now let's see. The shoot is slower. the frequency of the shoots is lower. Okay, now I set 10 Hz. You can see the laser shoots frequency is higher. Well, if you don't want to make the surface black, you can use this gas nozzle to aim at the welding place and collect the argon gas. Well, now it's 1.4 on the support. You can see have laser. Okay, now I change the support from 1.4 to 2.3. Let's see. You see, here's low laser. Okay, how can we find the laser again? Okay, you can see we move the metal board, download, then we found the laser again. So if you press the plus, the laser support will move downward. You press it, the laser will move upward. Now it's very clear, but you can see the focus is not in this place. The laser is very weak. We move the table. Now we found the focus, right? Okay, now it's focused. You see, the screen is not clear, but let's see on the microscope. Now the microscope is correct, right? But the screen is not right. So we need to change the focus of the camera. We can open the cover. This one is our camera. We can change the focus of the camera. Rotate it. Rotate the screws. Rotate the circle. Well, you will see there are 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3 in this camera. Well, the first one, if you rotate it, you can see the focus moves very fast. And the third one, if we rotate the middle screw, you can see the color of screen is changed. So it can only change color. And the third one, this one, we change it, the laser focus will move very small, in a small range. You see? Now we found the right place. You can see? Now we found the focus place, and on the microscope, is in focus place too. Well, second problem, the laser support is not in the cross. How to solve it? Firstly, we solve the camera. You can change this place. You can see there are three buttons in this place, and it can change the direction of the support. Okay, now we adjust it, and you can see the support on the microscope is not on the center too. Well, firstly, we need to adjust the microscope. If the microscope and the screen have problem, so you always remember to adjust the microscope firstly. Well, you adjust these 3 buttons. You can see there are 3 buttons in this place. We rotate this one. Well, we adjust this button. Let's see on the microscope. You see, it moves. Okay, now we rotate another button. We rotate this one. Let's see on the microscope. It moves. Okay, now let's move third button. Okay, this one. Let's see the movement. Okay. We can adjust these three buttons to put the laser back to the cross. Okay. Now it's back to the cross. But the problem is now the spot is on the cross of the microscope, but the spot is not on the cross of the screen. So we adjust these three buttons to change the place. The first one, let's see the change. Okay, second one. Well, the three buttons, the theory of these three buttons is same like the three buttons of the microscope. So this is for the CCD camera, and the three buttons in this inside it is for the microscope. The theory is same. So we can change the three buttons to put the support back. Okay, now you see is it back to the scope. Okay, let's see inside the microscope. So it's on the two cross, and now we adjust it back. Well, now we turn off the machine. Firstly, press the stop button and emergency button. You can cover the microscope to protect the lens. And you need to change water every 2 months. You remember to use the pure water.